what I ordered versus what I got.
So Flingnetic has launched its new magnetic eyeliner with single eyelash collection. You simply have to apply the magnetic eyeliner and the lashes will stick right on that. So it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And this new edition eyeliner has 10 times more magnetic hold and super duper smooth application. And the top of that, the quality is double to bundle it up. Also, you have choice to choose from 12 unique zodiac styles of eyelashes which are all lightweight, reusable and very comfortable. And after each use, attach the eyelashes back onto the magnetic place holders in this premium travel-friendly packaging. Reuse, long life and super affordable. So don't miss out and grab yours today.